In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add products to your WooCommerce website by using Codex. The first thing we need to do is we need to create some API credentials where Codex can access our website from. From your WooCommerce screen, you're going to select Settings, and you're going to head into Advanced. From Advanced, you're going to select REST API keys. Here I'm going to create a key Codex 3 and call this and put it to read/write. Here I'm going to have the consumer key and the consumer secret. Now I'm going to open up Codex, just like I did here in the screen. And then I'm going to give him the following prompt. Now I'm going to open up Codex. I'm going to give him the following prompt. Hey Codex, please connect to this WooCommerce installation by using this website. And I'm going to copy my website URL. And these API credentials, just a moment, consumer key and the consumer secret. And in the meantime, while it's going to connect, I'm going to head into my WordPress backend. I'm going to select my profile. I'm going to scroll down, and here I'm going to create a new application password. I'm going to call this Codex 3. And I'm going to give him the following prompt. Hey Codex, please establish a connection to this WordPress website using these credentials. Just a moment, I'm going to copy my URL in here. I'm going to paste in my username. This can be found up here, admin. And I'm going to paste the application password we've just generated, like this. And now I'm going to wait until it creates a connection to WordPress as well. Perfect, this only took 12 seconds. So now I'm going to ask him the following. Because there are some limitations by WordPress and WooCommerce, we're going to create a plugin that we can install on our website. As you can see, in 12 seconds, also WordPress has established a connection with, Codex has established a connection with WordPress as the administrator role. So now we're going to give him a prompt to do the following. I want him to create me a product so that I can manage my full WooCommerce store. I want to be able to change meta and product meta titles and meta descriptions from Yoast SEO. I want to add products, change titles, prices. I want to be able to be in full control through you. Write me a plugin. I'm sorry, this should be the word plugin. And after you've done this, list for me a short list of our full capabilities. Thanks. And I'm gonna send it. Alright, so after a short 5 minutes, the Codex is done. And as you can see, the capabilities are create and update the WooCommerce products titles, update Yoast product meta title, meta description and focus key phrase, manage broader WooCommerce resource via proxy, orders, coupons, category settings, etc. through the API, read content / product state plus Yoast metadata quickly by ID, and operate everything via authenticated API call, so I can execute store actions for you end to end. And that's the beautiful part. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head into my files. And as you can see, here is my zip file. I'm going to navigate to my WordPress installation. I'm going to head into plugins and add a plugin. I'm going to upload the plugin right here. And then the fun and magic can actually start. So I, in the meantime, had thought of a small, funny little idea. So what if I tell him to, can you please create a product regarding chicken eggs from chickens that live on a farm and do no harm. I want you to create the product images, category, Yoast SEO title, meta description, product description, as well as 5 variants, and you decide the pricing. Oh, I made a small mistake, and you decide the pricing. 3x, 6x, 9x, 12x, and 24x. Good luck. I'm gonna let it run. I'll be right back when it's done. After a short 7 minutes, we're going to open up the magic. Yeah, lovely. So you got the description. Here we have the title. We got the images, no harm farm chicken eggs, and we got the variants. So this is a simplified version of how you can manage your whole WooCommerce store literally through Codex, and this is just the beginning of everything we can eventually show you. So if you want to work with us, you can reach us at samautomation.nl. So I'm gonna .com. I'm sorry, samautomation.com. I'm sorry, samautomation.work. I'm sorry. And here you can contact us and you can talk to the founder in a free 15-minute call. So have a wonderful day, evening, or night, wherever you are, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.